Hello and welcome to our video on the role of ChatGPT in the field of energy. ChatGPT, our Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a large language model developed by OpenAI that has been trained on a vast amount of text data. Its ability to generate human-like text has made it a valuable tool for various industries, including energy. One of the main ways ChatGPT can be used in the field of energy is through natural language processing, NLP. The model can be used to analyze and understand large amounts of text data, such as technical reports, research papers, and news articles, related to energy. This can help energy companies to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field and make informed decisions. Another way ChatGPT can be used in the field of energy is through the use of generative models. The model can be used to generate new ideas for energy projects, such as renewable energy sources, energy storage solutions, and energy efficiency measures. This can help energy companies to identify new opportunities for growth and innovation. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to generate reports and technical documents, such as feasibility studies and business plans, for energy projects. The model can analyze data and generate a comprehensive report that includes all the necessary information, such as cost estimates, timelines, and potential risks, to make informed decisions on energy projects. Furthermore, ChatGPT can also be used to improve the performance of energy forecasting algorithms, by analyzing historical data and generating forecasts that take into account multiple variables such as weather, energy demand, and energy production. ChatGPT can also be used in the field of energy in optimizing energy consumption and saving cost by analyzing patterns of energy consumption and identifying areas for improvement. Another area of application of ChatGPT in the field of energy is in the field of smart grid management, where it can be used to analyze large amounts of data from smart meters and predict energy consumption patterns. This allows for grid operators to optimize their energy distribution and reduce costs. We also explore the use of ChatGPT in the field of nuclear energy, where it can be used to analyze large amounts of data related to nuclear energy, such as safety reports, and generate recommendations for improving safety and efficiency. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data from sensors and IoT devices to predict when equipment in energy plants, such as power turbines or solar panels, will require maintenance. This can help energy companies to plan maintenance schedules and reduce downtime. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data from energy audits and generate recommendations for energy efficiency improvements. The model can analyze data on energy consumption, such as electricity and gas usage, and identify areas where energy can be saved. ChatGPT can be used to analyze energy market data and generate predictions on energy prices. This can help energy traders to make informed decisions on buying and selling energy, and optimize their trading strategies. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data on energy production and consumption, and generate recommendations for reducing carbon emissions. The model can analyze data on energy sources, such as coal, natural gas, and renewable energy, and identify ways to reduce emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications in the field of energy, from natural language processing and generative models to energy project planning, forecasting, and optimization. Its ability to analyze large amounts of data and generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool for energy companies looking to stay ahead of the latest developments and make informed decisions. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used in specific areas such as smart grid management and nuclear energy, where it can help optimize energy distribution and improve safety. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on ChatGPT and its applications in various industries.